Snatch Squad? It is your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are social distancing. I hope you are staying in the house and only leaving when you need to, and I hope you're staying sane. That's the most important thing, because this quarantine stuff is like ridiculous. I shouldn't say ridiculous. It's just hard to stay sane being in the house every day. So I know I'm going through it, and I know y'all are going through it, and that is why we have this video today. Guys, I am starting a new weight loss challenge. You asking why? Because this quarantine life is not good for the weight loss journey, y'all. Like, it's just not. It's not happening. I have no motivation to do anything because I'm just like, I'm in the house all day long, just stuck. Anyway, so I was like, you know what, I need some motivation to, like, you know, keep active, keep striving for my goals. And I was like, the best way to do that is to be held accountable. So I am gonna start a weight loss challenge, and I want you guys to join in with me. We are starting tomorrow. So today is currently Sunday. It's Sunday night. You guys are gonna see this video tomorrow, which is Monday. We are starting tomorrow, which is April 20th, and we are ending June 8th. So it's gonna be a 6-week challenge. I think that's 6 weeks. I tried to do the math, but I'm not good. It might be 7. But we're gonna go from April 19th, no, 18th, sorry. No. Oh shoot. No. April 20th is tomorrow. So we're gonna go from April 20th to June 8th. 6 weeks, and I'm excited. So what we're gonna do differently this time, normally you know how I do this challenge, I just have you guys like in the comments every week just like say how your week went, but we're gonna do something a little different this time. So to make it more interactive, we're gonna actually communicate with each other through Instagram. So when you do, like, if you just any part of your like journey, you know, just like film it. So if you're like working out, you can just take a picture of your watch showing your calorie count, tag me in it. My Instagram name is @thecelesterenee. Let me make sure that's correct, because I don't want to give y'all misinformation. I think that is correct though. Yeah, @thecelesterenee, and I'm gonna try to remember to put it in the video so y'all can see it, but it's also in the description. And then the other thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna start a hashtag. So it's gonna be, of course, #Snatch Squad. So make sure if you're posting something, if you're eating something healthy, anything you want to post, if you like went on a jog, like literally guys, anything that's going to keep you held accountable, post it. At me, @thecelesterenee, and then make sure you hashtag the Snatch Squad or Snatch. Look, should we do the Snatch Squad? Yeah, because we're the Snatch Squad. We're not just a Snatch, we're the one and only Snatch Squad. So yeah, so at the Celeste Renee, and then hashtag the Snatch Squad in any of your Instagram posts, and I'm gonna repost it to my story. So that's how we're gonna keep each other held accountable. I'm gonna try to like record, so when I do a workout, record my watch so y'all can see like as receipts. So basically we're just like doing our receipts. We're like checking in with each other. If you have your meals that you want to post, or if you like cooking something healthy, go ahead, tag us in it. Like, you know, we all want to see it. It's going to help all of us like kind of stay more interactive than just me posting once weekly. The other thing I'm doing this time is I'm actually going to show y'all my weight throughout this journey. So I know normally I'm always like, oh, I don't want to tell y'all how much I weigh and all that stuff, but I think that I'm just at a different place in my life where I'm just like, I don't even care. Like, it is what it is. Like, I'm working the hardest that I can, and the numbers on the scales don't really matter as long as like I'm progressing towards my goal. Like, if somebody wants to make fun of me because how much I weigh, like, I was gonna cuss, but I'm trying not to cuss. It just is what it is. So that's something I'm gonna do. I'm actually going to start the first video on Monday. So that's what I was about to say. So this is just like the video letting you guys know that, you know, we're starting a challenge. I'm starting a challenge. I really want you guys to join in. Like, I really want it to be a lot of women. Like, you know, just like we need this, guys. We need this so we can stay focused, because what we don't want to do is wake up after quarantine is over and we're up 20 pounds and we're upset. So we need to just like either maintain or lose weight, whatever you want to do. Or if you want to gain weight. Like, everybody has different body goals. I'm trying to just, I want to lose weight but also maintain. So I'm just trying to like just not put too much stress and pressure on myself with our current circumstances. I mean, there's no gym to go to. All you can do is really like go outside, do little workouts and stuff like that, but that's no excuse. So whatever your goal is, I'm hoping to get under 200 pounds. The last time I weighed myself, I was 214. So that's like, I need to lose like 15 pounds a day at like 199. Can it happen in 6 weeks? Who knows? Like, who knows? But I'm gonna try. And if I don't make it to that, I'm not gonna stress myself out. I'm not gonna be hard on myself. So you guys do the same thing. Like, set a reasonable goal. Don't set anything extreme. Set something reasonable. So if it doesn't work out, it's okay. Now, the only reason why I'm saying that is because our current circumstances, you know, being in quarantine. If we actually had access to a gym, I'd be like, not being this lenient on myself or you guys. So just putting that out there. So yes, tomorrow is going to be Monday. So I'm going to actually weigh myself in the morning and do my measurements. If you guys want to do your measurements, I welcome you to do it, because honestly, you'll see changes in your measurements before your weight. And sometimes it's frustrating, like when you don't see the scale moving, but if you do the measurements, then you'll have, like, you know, a balance. So I'm gonna do on camera day one, kind of showing you guys my starting weight, and then I think I'm just gonna do another video. You guys know how I do like the little measurement video. Guys, I had to retwist my own hair. I think I did a really good job, honestly. I retwisted my whole head because the lady who did my hair, she did a horrible job. It was like coming undone, so I retwisted it myself. I'm really proud of myself because, guys, I do not know how to do hair. I just watched like 3,000 YouTube videos and I think it came out pretty good. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. But yes, so I'm gonna be uploading once a week, like the weekly check-in. So, oh, that's the other thing. I'm already talking and I'm forgetting the basics. I should go through the basics first, because y'all know how I start to get on a tangent. So anyways, we're gonna weigh in once a week. Our weigh-in day is Saturday. Saturday morning, weigh in, record that weight, and that's gonna be your weight for the week. So we start on Monday. We're starting this Monday. Our first weigh-in is gonna be on Saturday, and then every Saturday we'll weigh in. So yes, so that means that every video, I'm gonna try to upload every Sunday. So I'll weigh in on Saturday, upload it on Sunday. I'm gonna try, y'all. I mean, I really have no excuse. I ain't got stuff to do, but you know, procrastination sits in. So that's my goal, is to record every Saturday, weigh in, so y'all can see the numbers on the scale, and then we'll go from there. So yes, I'm gonna go through all the, not the requirements, you know, I'm just gonna go through, you know, everything once again, just kind of like list it out for you guys. But I'm really excited about this. Like, when I do the challenges, like, you guys help keep me motivated, and I think that if we're able to like bring it to Instagram, it'll help motivate more people, because then we can actually see, rather than just waiting a week, not really like having anybody to hold you accountable, and then seeing, like, we can kind of keep in contact throughout the time. You guys can also follow me on Apple Watch. How does, honestly, I said that, but I don't even know how Apple Watch works. I honestly don't know how you like add people on here. Well, if somebody knows, oh, I don't know how to do it. If you know how to add people on here, please put a comment so I know. I don't know if I have to like put like my name or whatever. I don't know how it works, but if you guys want to do that, we can do that. If it's not like, you know, we have to like risk our like safety or something. If you have to put your number, we're not doing that, because that's a little, you know, intense to be putting our phone numbers out to people that we do not know. So yes, I'm sorry guys, this hair just came loose. So once again, let me just go through the what we're going to be doing. So we're starting another challenge. It's going to be 6 weeks. It might be 7. My numbers might be off, because I think you're not supposed to count the week you're starting. I think you count the remaining weeks. I don't know. It's going to be 6/7 weeks. I don't know, y'all. Y'all know that every time I try to do this, my math be wrong. So somebody fact check me, please, and put it in the comments. Y'all know y'all always ready to tell me about my stuff, so go ahead. Have permission to do it. Now I'm playing. So we're going to start April 20th, and we are ending... Sorry, we're starting April 20th and we're ending on June 8th. And just a little disclaimer, my birthday is June 9th, so really excited. I'm always excited for my birthday. Anyways, this is not about me. This is not about me. This is about the Snatch Dash Squad. So yes, so we're starting April 20th. Am I getting this right? April 20th? Yes, April 20th is a Monday, and we're ending June 8th. 6-week challenge. Our weigh-ins are every Saturday, so we're weighing in once a week every Saturday. Once again, guys, this is not about, you know, making sure you lose a whole bunch of weight. It's just about kind of just holding ourselves accountable to make sure that we stay active and fit throughout this COVID, coronavirus, crazy quarantine stuff. So yes, that's that. And then the other thing is, guys, make sure that when you work out or anything that you're doing that's related to the challenge, even if it's you cooked a healthy meal, you found something in the grocery store that you really thought was interesting, a good snacking option, whatever, anything that helps you through this 6 week challenge. Remember to at me at the Celeste Renee on Instagram, and then hashtag the Snatch Squad. So if you post, for example, say you worked out today, you burned 300 calories, boom, take a picture of your watch with the 300 calories, and then hashtag the Snatch Squad, and then at the Celeste Renee, and then I'm gonna get the notification and I'm gonna repost it to my channel, and that's how we're gonna stay accountable, held accountable to each other. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys join this challenge. I hope that it helps you out. I know I need this. I need accountability because I'm literally going crazy. I'm like snacking till I can't snack no more, and I really just need to get it under control, because what I don't want to do is when we finally get out of this in June, August, whenever it ends, be like 30 pounds and I'll have to start over. That's just not what I'm trying to do. So once again, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you join the challenge. Make sure you if you're gonna do the challenge, like this video. That's what we'll do. If you're gonna join the challenge, like this video. If you have some positive stuff that you want or some goals you want to reach, put it in the comments so we can hold ourselves accountable. So at the end of the 6th week, we can go back to week 1's video and be like, dang, we did it, and we can feel like proud of ourselves. So yes, we're gonna start with 6 weeks. After the 6 week challenge, you know, we're gonna see how we feel. We might do another one, or we might extend it. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.